Head of the family, while the others are taking blue because they believe that blue is the sign of peace and unity. That's their favorite color. These on this line, in fairness. Ano lang, yung ikaw study siya pa
Ma'am, action siya na slice, ma'am.
Anyway,
Action na slice.
you just do the slice. Gurog si Polo, kagwapong yung Polo, eh? Gusto na talikod.
Okay.
Tamis is delicious. Chef!
Okay,
Si
go.
Michelle, okay na sa si Michelle, no? Ikaw mo ba yung trabaho na pukor na rin ba? Oh, ops, what? Mas ako lagi dahil, so meaning to say na ako kagumali po. Be able to stand on their own two
Okay,
feet
cross your
and
arms.
look for adequate solutions for the trials. Cross your arms and then crawl. Wow! Then, before you another kiss.
Kiss.
Do not blow tayo. Close na po yung arms. Then kiss tayo. Wow! Wow! Okay, rasa kain ko. Promise. So at this moment in time, let's gather now the single ladies. Bridesmaids, so please come forward. Single ladies, all the single ladies out there, you just join me here. Single ladies. Yung kakagay na kay anak, ay makapilapit. Obviously, about the second line. Oh. Ano nagka-camera? Dahil hindi naka-photographer dahil hindi ang pili. Walk down the aisle. That's what we should say. So ladies and gentlemen, one of you guys would luckily also but instead may request the bride to please turn around. Guys, hey! Everybody dancing! Let's do the party! Ha! Ate mo sayo kung sino na buka. Do you listen? Do your move! Ha! Ready? Go! Matawa kayo kung sayo! Hala! Wala ka sabot! Sayo sa gay, karanigot, bakit ka? Ay, naku, ako ba may pag. Okay, guys! Ay, may kusugan na go. Handbag down with the brightest of flowers. So, when she threw it back, you just pick one flower, everybody. Okay, ang dinig ako ha, meaning to say, siya, mauna siya. Okay, at the count of ready. Ready, 1, 2, Kaya pa, if you isa na diyan ang picture, dito na pa. Okay, go! Maslay mo, Ana, maslay mo. I swear. Pwede ha, ilog yun ang isa. 2, 4, 6, 18, 12. Ang dinig ako ha, pasabot mo. Ikinanalig yung bata suyo. Pasabot siya, grade 6, graduate? Joke, anyway, ready, girl? Okay, Brian, ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Pagkukusan yun. Kuhaan yung kusa. Ay, magapit. Ana, sige pag yun. Okay, guys, thank you. I-raise yung flower. Hey. Dali-dali kasi may flower. Ipakita, anak ko. Hala, nagtago-tago. Sige pa, paano ako kita sa uban? Ayman, wala ka? Dilikuan na lang siya. Actually, ako liban. Okay. Who you've got the orange one? You just forward? Orange. Orange. Kayo to have. Wearing pink and other one. And to those guys, thank you very much. Back to your seat. Wala ko lang ilahan na ninyo. Okay. Congratulations. From the bride side, from the bride's leg. But, needing to say, we will now have to first call on the single guys. So, if you don't mind, groom, you just stand up, Paul. Then call all your friends who are single. Paminaw, bro. And symbolizes the bond that never breaks the promise of love, no? Muna na aday garter ibutan sa leg. So muna na siya yung purpose. So that this time you have to retrieve now mo siyang tantangon. Okay, dito ka baby, stand up dito baby. Okay, stand by for the music. Oh shit. Oh. Now. Hey! Okay, Lord na by Lord. Okay, Raya, pakita ang garter. Guniti ang tikod ni siya. Gulit siya tikod. Slowly down. Remove it slowly. Butang sa tuhod. Tuhod na, tuhod. Kasi line garter mabitad, ha? May bungis kasi book na man. Anyway, butang sa tuhod. Pakita ako, garter. Asa na fit? Okay, move it downward. Not using your hands, but using your... Baka, go! Hey! Pakpang mo, friend! Down, sige pa! Ayaw gamitan mo ka mo. Patungo na. Hindi pa yun. Anong parang hindi mo kang baon. Ayaw na. Sige, baka, baka. Baka yun siya. Baka, baka. Okay, pakpang friends. Bye, alita, bye. Patungi ang groove. Oh, wait a minute, now! Hey! Wow! Sayaw mo! Hey! Wow! Hey! Wow! Basta!
낮에는 따사로운 인간적인 여자 커피 한 잔에 여유를 아는 품격 있는 여자 밤이 오면 심장이 뜨거워지는
사야w mo!
반성 있는 여자 너는 선호해 낮에는 너만큼 따사로운 그 선호해 커피 식기도 전에 원샷 때려 선호해 밤이 오면 심장이
Oh! Asa mga garter? Everybody's holding the garter? Okay, guys, thank you very much. You know, back to your seat. Okay, di tagay ko na bangko diri usan. Lapu-lapu. Okay, how young are you? How young?
37.
27. Okay, where's the other lady? Oh, you just go back to your... Asang tamo sa ka lady diwa kay wa pa tanang human? Rachel, na kay boyfriend dire.
Yes.
Okay na, games na ni boy labot. Rachel? Joey, na kay boyfriend dire. Maayo kay wa ka nagda. And the other one? Kathy. Okay, Gino. Guys, ladies, si Gino, ha? So ato pangita og gisa yung partner. Kaila kung lagi ka dai. Kaila kung lagi si Joey mo. Not like games. Okay, para ali dire ba?
Nakawin. Win.
3 rounds because 3 of you will come and you know this time of. Okay, the first round would be, we may call it touch me now. Okay, ladies, you have to touch any body parts of Gino. Which would you think is the most sensitive part of Gino? Okay, ready? Are you ready, guys? Okay, let's come on now. Search A. Come forward. Okay. Okay, Gino, ready for that? What? Back to your seat. Okay, how about the search B? Okay. Any body parts, please? Okay. Gusto mo ito ko yun? Tusok ba ito yung munay? Another round? Ano ulo do? Anyway, this is the third. Wow. Tusok yan po ito dahil. Sino ano? Maglabot? Bakit may kapon, grabe. Anong gari, anong jurobos? Anyway, Gino, don't mind that. Who would you like? The one touching your neck, the one touching your shoulder, and the one touching your ear? Ear! Wow! Congratulations. You have one. Excited ka, 1 point pa siya. Kisi-kisi, biya siya. You're not yet done. Maybe it's good, ikaw na. Di ba? So we call it the first round of touch me na. The second round will be ang tamis ng pag-ibig. Wow. So just say the magic word, I love you, in a most romantic way to Gino. Example, Gino, I love you. Example na to, guys. Okay? Now starts with, we will go on the search A. I mean, come over. Come on. Don't turn it down.
Go, go.
Ay, pasensya na mo kasi uya pa rin. Dito ha. Duwa na dito. May lapotin ko ha. May personalay. Trabaho lang. Gino. I love you. grabe na. Okay, so wag no hurt feeling ha. Baho lang. Let's go on the search you be. Come here. Ewan ko po lang ang microphone. Anyway, Jane, anak yun na Gino. Kaya, ano naman ka, Jane? Babaeng Pilipina. Yeah, and doon ay hapon. Hapa. Anyway, this now have the search you see. Kami, baka over. Uy, closer to
Love
here.
you.
Closer to the air. Go.
Love you.
Uy, kasi yung idiot. Lagi, gusto ko umiyak. Huwag mo kumain mo dahil magninyo ang anak. Doon ka kami.
Love you, Gino.
Ginok. Gino, out of the two ladies saying that I love you, whose would you like to? The one saying the number 1, 2, and 3. Here we go. Number? Number 3? Number 2! Sunti pa ko? Hindi pa huli ang lahat. Okay, now let's go to the grab now on the try on this last round, okay? Ladies? Gino tastes the food, then he will be the one to choose who would like to. We will now call on the search A. Come here. Okay, so as I said, Gino, if I say it's open your mouth, you go, open your mouth, wow! Hinayang kusok ba yun? Maapala mo, yun ang tinidor, ang muli ato. Okay, Gino, sorry, Gino, ako din may pasaylo ni mo, Gino. Mami kay bugot, Gino, oy! Ginok. Anyway, guys, let's go on the search B to come forward. Okay, any, don't include this one, here na come. Okay, Gino, again, as I said, open your mouth. Okay, baby, open your mouth, baby, it's your vitamins. Okay, go, open. Wow, good boy. I love it. Strike. Huwag naman yung gusto ilitan. Ano ulit pag-insig? Okay, let's go on the search C. Wow. Anyway, bagay. Daga sa unahan ko karon. Okay, open your mouth, baby. Ayun na lang, the other side. Okay, so open your eyes.
Open your eyes.
Open your eyes. Open your eyes. Open your mouth, baby. Open your mouth. Okay, ready, baby. Good boy. Wow. Okay, mo na ba ito ni Sili? Para siya sagod chiripir na American tiki-tiki. Para na sinagot. Okay, now you taste the free food given by the ladies. Kamu lagi no coaching. Kamu lagi magbuo. Whose would you like? 1, 2, or 3? The number 1! I said it! Okay, what ito siya? Okay, now ladies, congratulations on the revelation of this show. Tadan! Dara! And the winner is... Ladies, just say thank you to Gino. Come over.
Say thank you and you can say thank you.
Thank you for not choosing me.
Okay. Dahil asa naman kasi... Dahil ayaw po ka na, Dahil. Ululain kayo ka, Dahil. Okay, dali tao. Okay, dali sa mo. Kapan mo sa Friday? Barong sa mo duha. Okay, closer. Arita, Victoria. So, and?
Kasi.
Kathy. Have you met before, Gino, with Kathy? Is this the first time you met? Okay, tanaway ko naman diba? What? Si Kate mo lagi pinakuan. Okay, anyway, kamo ba yung nakakuha? So, padayon ta. So, kuhan sa kanang Bruce and Garter. Okay. Gino, di man ang Garter gikan. That was placed on the right leg of the bride. No, because you're the one luckily got it. If you don't mind, you just return it where it came from. You just stand there. Hey, sana sa kamay. Sayaw sa ako na yung pasayaw ko na sa ano nga ni Kati. Hey, oops. Wow. Oops, load kamay. Okay, dahil ilagay mo right leg, itaas. Guliti at tikod, Jim. Guliti at tikod. Tikod, asa tikod? Dito na, tikod. Okay, higher. Butang yung tikod si mong paa. Okay. Okay, place it down. Wow. Slowly. Okay, oops. Slowly lang, slowly. Oops, stop. Move it upward, not using your hands, but using your motor teeth. Pakaw yan yung pagbuot. Ready, go. Okay na na. Sige, okay lang. Sige lang. Paano lang? Doon lang. Sorry to tell you that. Na-share damage. Papakit friends, as we continue na. Higher. Higher pag-amay. Okay, higher pag yun. Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, hatag ang bouquet, ma'am. Tutorial sa. Okay, the both of you stand up. Ay, butang ang bouquet, day. Gunit ang kamot ni Kati. Ang bouquet, kamot na magunit sa bouquet. Wow. Closer gamay, closer. Murag, maagian mo kapaw, gapu, kabuo. Okay? Ready pictures? Tanong sa mo sa photographer. This is will be the second pair. Congratulations to Gino and Kathy as they have to walk down the aisle next year after, no? Punta ka lang eh. Okay, lungan na together with the couple. One kiss. Cheek lang mo. Ready? Ato ka kiss sa... Ready? One. Aday Kathy. Igaway mo buke. Ay tabo si mong now. Idaw gamay. Okay, ready? At the count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Okay. Papake friends. Thank you. Diba? So we will now call on first the side of the groom. So who would like to say something? Is it the mama or papa? Ma, dali ma. Sige na ma.
Si Bibi ang mamang sa groom nga si Paul. Kani si Paul, ang akong ika-sultian ni Bataa nga may pagkaparaygon. Mas boy niya. Ang kasing-kasing sa inahan ba, lukmay yun, labi nagnahay pa ngayon. Sa usat-usa o hangtong lang sa umaabot nilang mga anak. Salamat.
Okay, thank you very much. That was the message from the groom side. The mother of the groom, Mrs. Magdalena Pale. So, abangan kini, let's hear it from the bride side. Maybe let's call on also the mother of the bride, Mrs. Diana Maambo. Papakay friends. Mother, ma'am. Ano ito? Abangan mo. Amino, kumagi naman mo. Dali. Sino ba? Wow. Okay.
Ngayong gabi na tanan. Ako dahil si Diana Mambong, inahan ni Michelle Mambong. Ako ikasultihan nila nga sa ilang panagtipon na ang ginang-away, wala lang ginapatay. O mapulaan, iuli lang kay andang kumudawat sa pinana.
Kung saan pagtunan mo sa mga anak na duwaan? As simple as that, no? Message na, no? I mean to say, ang pinaka-concept sa message, kung mag-away man daw, istorya lang. O doon naman kayo napatan, ang MC, ano yung asawa? Andang kumudawat, sa imo kong kulatahon. Anyway, so let's now have a random calling from the sponsor. So let's start with a famous sponsor. Please welcome. So we will go on. This is from the couple, Mrs. Maria Pura Ipisa. Pagpaki friends, good morning. So you can have a message, advices, because we're older than the couple. So, mga take your advices lang.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Pura Ibisa, and with my husband, Reno. To you, Michelle and Paul, congratulations. Welcome to the club. You know, it's not easy joining this club. But as your ninang, let me remind you this. Just be faithful to one another. As what you have promised in your vows a while ago, remember? And then Paul, be a good husband to Michelle. And Michelle, likewise, be a good wife to Paul. Trials will come along your journey. But just face it and handle it. And most of all and above all, put God in the center of your lives. Once again, congratulations and best wishes, and God bless you, and hope to see you Puhon with your little Michelle and your little Paul. I love you. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. That was Mrs. Maria Pura Ibisa. So let's have a random calling again from the groom, from the sponsor, male sponsor. So let's hear it again. Kung kinsa to ni Surya, ato sa paminon ang bana. Mr. Mario Reno Ibisa. Sir, come here. Papaki friends.
Maying hapon, ang tuog sur ko ito. Asawa mo doon ko. Good afternoon sa tanan. So, actually, I don't know Paul. Karoon lang ako nakita si Paul. Michelle, I know her because she's my wife's office mate. So, mensahe. Kanang bata-bata ko bang ko kagbaw kilang to ni katuig dito. As what my wife said, just be loyal to each other. So